How to fix unable to update the Minecraft native launcher. 1. Run Minecraft launcher as an admin. 2. Disable your antivirus temporarily. 3. Repair Minecraft launcher 4. And any unknown/unwanted/unused processes running in the background, for Minecraft Dungeons native launcher players. 5. Rename the launcher _profiles_Microsoft_store.json file at c:\users/username/appdata/roaming/.minecraft. 6. Check Minecraft launcher folder's permissions. Note, you need to apply or use allow the read, write, and modify permissions. 7. Change the Xbox Game Pass game installation location to C drive. Steps: remove Minecraft, run the Xbox Game Pass app, enter your profile, choose settings, general, locate the change where this app installs games by default section, open the drop-down menu, choose C disk. 8. Remove existing Minecraft using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide and re-download the latest version from the official website.